Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the dashboard in the FX trading broker. As you saw in previous tutorials, we registered and verified our identity in this broker, and now we intend to teach all parts of the dashboard in this broker. As you can see, after logging into the account, we encounter this page. In this section, you can search for different symbols, or find your desired symbol among the various categories available here. After clicking on any symbol, the chart for that symbol will be displayed to you in this section. In this section, you can change the time frame settings of your chart and use the tools available here to conduct your analyses. Additionally, by clicking on the information option, you can access more information about the selected symbol. In this section, the use of various indicators will be available to you. And with the tools in this section, you can open your trades towards buy or sell. In the first part, you need to specify the trade volume for yourself. And using this section, you can set a take profit or stop loss for yourself. After opening the trade, the details of your order will be displayed in this section, and you can view your pending orders here. Additionally, the trade history will be shown to you in this section. If you encounter any issues in any part of the website, by clicking on this option, you can contact the support team and get help from them for your problem. Well, in the upper section, by clicking on this option, you can download the programs listed here for yourself. Additionally, the download QR code for iOS touts and Android will be available to you. By clicking on this option, you can download various software for your operating systems. Again, in this section, by clicking on this option, you can enter the FX Trading Broker Help Center and read articles on various questions and topics. And again, in this section, the option to contact online support will be available to you. Well, in the next section, by clicking on this option, you can log out of your account or create a new account. After clicking on the Add Account option, you need to complete the information in this section. After entering the information in this form, you select your account type and click on Next. On the next page, you need to answer these questions. Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a politically exposed person? And you enter your gender in this section and click on the Save Changes option. Well, as you can see, your live account has been successfully opened. Again, in this section, you have access to various chart symbols, trading tools, and trade history. And at the top, your margin shows the used amount and liquidity amount. Also, in this section, you can see your profit or loss amount as well as the margin level here. Next in the dashboard, we have the copy trading option. By clicking on this option, you enter your copy trading dashboard, which is explained in detail in the video dedicated to the copy trading section. By clicking on the trading tools option, various trading tools become available to you. In this section, you have the economic calendar, where you can gain more information about your desired symbols. In different categories of information, you can use the information obtained in this section to approach your trades more intelligently, and these tools help you predict the future of the market. Using the next option in this section, you can change the site theme to dark. And in the following section, you can edit the site time for yourself by clicking on this option. In the first section, you can view the transactional history. You can view your completed transactions in this section. In the account details section, you can view and edit your account information. Additionally, in this section, you can change your account password and enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication. By entering the verification center, you can complete the identity verification process for your account, and the withdrawal option will be available to you in this section. After depositing into your account and conducting trades, you can make withdrawals using various methods through this section. The history of completed withdrawals is displayed to you in this section. In the account management section, you can view your different live and demo accounts. If you intend to create a new account or transfer your balance between different accounts, these options will be available to you. By clicking on the Transfer Between Accounts option, you can select the two accounts you want, and after choosing the balance, click on Make Transfer. Additionally, in the Trading Tools section, you will again find useful tools to assist with your analyses, which you can use for conducting your analyses. At the bottom, the deposit option is available to you, and after verifying your account, you can deposit into your account using various methods. In the last section, by clicking on this option, you can change the site's language. And finally, by clicking on the social trading option, you can enter your social trading panel, where you can watch the dedicated tutorial video for this section on our channel. In this section, similar to the copy trading section, you can copy successful traders and profit from it. Well, this was the complete tutorial of the dashboard in the FX Trading Broker. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.